The Vikings were polytheists, which means they worshipped many gods and goddesses. These gods were a bit like superheroes and villains. They had superpowers and lived for a long time, but not forever. Originally, there were two groups of gods, called the Aesir and the Vanir. The Aesir were the gods of victory and war, while the Vanir were the gods of fertility, harvest, and good fortune. For many years, the Aesir and Vanir were rivals, but they eventually found ways to work together. Some of the main Viking gods included the chief god, Odin, sometimes called Woden, the god of wisdom, knowledge, war, and poetry. Frigg, the goddess of love and marriage, and the wife of Odin. The three Norns, or fates. According to Viking mythology, every person's life was a thread connected to their fate. When it was time for them to die, the Norns cut the thread. Freya, the goddess of love, war, and fertility. Half of the warriors who died in battle went to live in her meadow called Folkvanga, while the other half went to Valhalla. Frey, Freya's brother. He was a mighty warrior and the leader of the dwarves and elves. He had a ship that could magically fit into his pocket and a sword that could fight on its own. His chariot was pulled by a golden pig. Heimdall, the superhuman guardian of the Rainbow Bridge Bifrost. He had incredible hearing and eyesight. Tyr, the god of justice and law. Warriors worshipped him because he was very brave. Loki, the shape-shifting trickster who liked to play pranks on both humans and gods. He was the son of a fire giant, but adopted by Odin. Thor, the god of thunder, storms, strength, and protection. Thor defended Asgard from the giants using his magical hammer Mjolnir, which could produce thunder and lightning. He had a belt and iron gloves, which gave him superhuman strength. Vikings believed that the world was flat and surrounded by a vast ocean. Long ago, a world tree called Yggdrasil had connected heaven, Asgard, Earth, Midgard or Middle-earth, and the land of the dead, Hell. Midgard and Asgard were now connected by a rainbow bridge called Bifrost. Vikings believed in elves, goblins, giants, and dwarves, all of which were invisible to humans. The Vikings' worldview was probably very different from yours, but this doesn't mean that they were unintelligent. They didn't have microscopes, telescopes, X-rays, satellites, or computers. Their stories and beliefs were a way of understanding the world around them. By the 11th century, most Vikings living in Britain had converted to Christianity. Almost 1,000 years later, Viking beliefs are becoming popular again. Followers of religions such as heathenry and modern paganism worship many gods, including the Viking gods Odin, Freya, Thor, and Frigg. Some wear a replica of Thor's hammer around their necks, just like some Christians wear a cross. Did you know? Tuesday is named after Tyr. Wednesday is named after Odin, Woden. Thursday is named after Thor. And Friday is named after either Freya or Frigg, who may originally have been the same goddess.